move fi tech ebi move fi China ene ya kan ye hwaboma ye boase nipa dodo bi obeba ye nchen no Awurade be fa ye nsa so de apoto ama won enti onua wo hwe me o pe ba bi akọ o pa ya resabia bi akọ tutu na mo bra Qualicare Medicals Limited ye wo Kumasi airport runabout kwana e ko buku na se amtoa kwan ne so no obetima free telephone numbers na wo mu afidie so na se emwa bi ana o ha bi e che so a tutu aminka bra na Awurade be fa ye so aboa ama hoto aba ene abusuafo ene nafofo nyina eso
Qualicare Medical Limited a physiotherapy units ena ye chere uba yasua yewo yade am bibra yesa ahai massage units yewo machine a yedi biemia obia
okay da nyankopon ase se enenso ode ache yembio COVID-19 ho ensensem a yede ebremo live ewo Kumawood TV nanka aye 4:30 but ene bibinti no time ebiti enkakra momfa enche pa ye betwa so ewo COVID-19 ho ensensem send the bia no ye de bremo from Mondays to Fridays no and then so ye de brought bomodia efre wonua na wonua so emfre ni nua se time no aso emre no aso se ye de empense mu no bremo live e Kumawood TV so midi e de Samuel Kwabena Dako aka Sam Dakus e de na midi dwumade no ho chiame ye won panfo e wa ha ye no mo batutwe enkomo afa coronavirus aba ama ewiase ayedi Ghana ayedi ama sebe enhemfo ene atitiru nyina ayedi yare kwa na ekosoro de bia so yeguso a yeka ho asem ye hwe update enne yensa kan coronavirus de bia e betra ha ka ho asem na say ahuri eko 2074 yare se suro ne yensuro ana se chese ye bie ye na ye ekosuro obi ntimi ntre mpanyifo ha yebebusa mo so de o madwentre de aba omo amawu eye 17 omo a sebi omo akam eye 17 ena omo ama recover omo ho ato no so ay increase kosoro eko 212 yehwe regions no so called Greater Accra omo de ena de bia no edoso Greater Accra omo amanya bi eye 1721 Central region eko 21 Oti region 19 Oti region enso eko 19 ana oba Upper East region enso eko 19 Volta region eko 16 ena Northern region 13 oko Upper West enso a omonso eko 10 ena Western region enso eko 9 wene baby a regions ni nyina no obia ede akwakodu abadwafo wo ha ensem bebre wo ho a yebebobo ho na wonso a ohwe ye no wonso de wade ntre ede abampacho number na eda screen so no number na eda screen so no se opese woni ye atwetwe nkomo ana se wode contribution eba obetimi ede afa sa number no so na afi wode aba na yakenkan ede amount abacho 0543 596070 0543 596070 bipacho menfreso your text message ana ode ebeba your honorable James Nana Prempe revenue mobilization chairman ewo KMA ana enanso yenya wo baako a ono so ye honorable Joseph Basua ono so ye Brokroom assembly member ene omo nam no mo ebetwe enkowo ebusiafo mama kwaba
ejo so sorry
honorable me pom de say
ni anyame adom
Yekusun kakra.
Yeguso. Me free say nyame ye yadom na adekyin ise ya. Na o say dia se dem atwedi ampo Nyankopon. Ku no ne ye na aku no.
Okay.
Amso ma be ye hwe ho ye. Me free say ye kan. Enya dance di. A whole medical professor so we. But just is be here no. Prince Charles be here no be ka some there. Ho anka ye mo ade no mo ahu. Say bi omo de nyame na bo ode omo afofi.
Okay.
O share the rate US for EU a. Me free say e wo ye bambo na o say boy ho ban. Say be hwe say ye ba wo for ye nsa e bra no. Ye be use sanitizer.
Okay.
You be use nose mask abra ye she oni pram bebre. And it says only bibia ya no chefie no ajo ahome.
Okay.
Na what the fruits and vegetables so more. Na timi abus kwani hia pa. What's the kwani the vegetables no mo. And you know what's the can cry you say be macron no kwan hihia wo. Eh so baby. Enti me free say e ya de wo se ni nyina no ye hwe na ye de ye adwuma.
Okay.
Na boa yen.
All right. Ye koye nim na honorable Baso Amama Akwaba. Enane eda edikan a wo ba Kumawu TV. Umpeso aso ati say wo boye mu kakra about say coronavirus e ba yi.
Me adom umpeso aso boko. Me fa ko na we so atia ewra na no nsu be ko nyene. Ama cha yin kon ketu e kan nyina. Akara kan say COVID-19 e ba yi ama na be ye adisuade hu ama ye nyina. Because the biggest challenge yes ya emphasis no so COVID-19 ba ye the challenge be the assembly members to the extent say we go opera na say be osara no pa you be die no or da honorable or pen assembly member nje ma ye nya so hu be say we are say
Ra wa say we ntema kasa no ntema ha
we are say no ye ko be nyina no say we
wo ye wa nyina ya sanitize ya ko ya ntino
ti kakra ma yesu ani se wiase de ye nyina ye ko bai wo ye adwuma ni wasie kakra because ye nyina na anwene se ye be ko ahohihi mu sei but o ma panyi so ye moa the member of parliament so boa ye kakra enuane ye ba ye ehum se challenge de bi be ba because enye ni nyina na be so nipadom ni nyina so ba wona ese fata wo se provide mo mo ne de ye ne sa kwan no so sanitizers ye educate community no brano hand washing so that they are use sanitizers no social distancing the person and so the education the course and the bon pay say ya we be ko ni nyina ya coming back normal na economy no so arise high na bibia akoboko.
Okay, honorable Baswa Bokrum assembly member and yete ne kan we dey ka say number na e da screen so no me pa chaw fa wadwen kire ebra na yenso yankin kan ma e bantama ne betimi akenkan e dia ma 0543 596070 0543 596070 afena odwane ya na Kumawood update na ye de ebrewo ye de kan akase Nyankopon ya aduma free ochina first ekono sa dwumade we na no ye de foforo abeshim ye be ka politics ankasa na fe ye de COVID-19 ho nsem no so ayade ashim anti politicians no beba na Nyankopon ya aduma ochina mo nyina beba ha na ya launch na kama ya launch wi a free Monday ekon obehu wo mo ebra no dwumade ni den e de sinipi se o kan wasem a no wa sinipi no waka kontumpa o de sinipi no kranso asinipi na yenso ebehwehwem ama wahu se kontumpa ana se no kra we dwumade a ye de ebra live e wo Kumawood TV so Yankopon ya aduma free ochina ko no nyina no mo ba hu no nyina e wo Kumawood TV so every pem no ye be bia homatrofo na tum na ensema ye kan wa ha wonso wo de contribution e de aba. Okay, yenkoi honorable the bia I'm starting with the update here abai just say the bia you see ye hoduma a doctor for ye hoduma ye contact tracing and yɛhwɛ sɛ ɔmo nso ho bɛtɔ wɔ but every day bia no increase edentia
Professor, when me first say Joada Sebrada na menum bedi nkomo.
Yeah.
I think said that time near number ne the 1550. 1550.
Yeah.
And at that time name said nipa 11 and every.
Yeah.
And ti wo hwe say Joada Sebrada ebesi me na ya wo. Na mienu entem ye free 1550. I will do 2074.
That's more than 500.
More than 500. Over 520.
Yeah.
And I affected. Abeka home. Now, my question is, we na Abeka no a community infection yenya. And now say contact tracing a year, you know. And the idea 500 na Abeka within 2-3 days. Yeah. Now, say your contact tracing on kwa, maybe free say, and you who can say.
Okay. I didn't know.
The makers and say, those people were suspected. Near Crawford, Jesus say, a crime back one I mean, no, when you be a wobino, and ye see a moon, and don't know the possibility when you be near high. And I are quarters here, yenyawi. In fact, another thing I may know. Was ye movie anya science?
Yeah.
I am conta some dia na kekabo ma titiefum.
Also the why do bet na kekabo ma titiefum.
But science no, the doctors you almost say omotimi test nipa ba ko more than 2. And the number no cry na increase no. As if say a nominal figure, not the real figure.
Okay.
But just wrong. And the no na do be to get the real figure say okay now nipa do same power because bet me abeso obi ya test no e negative na akọ test no say positive ya test no e positive no ya sabe test no e about negative ya see why recover ya test was say negative positive ni ya say dia beka number no ho e do say nipa ba ko na ya counting the two wa kwaba
yeah
ana virus we the man ye hu no so say
enim say
wo timi to na bia sa ba chi obi
no that's a boy no mu but ebia okoda ba bia no wasan sori ana se ebia o ho ato no wasan ko no obi a obi akodi ahiem
won say viruses no bi won ma se mo ye treat ye man the vaseline ni adina o free system mo ate say emphasis hepatitis B
yeah
won say your vaseline bi o cry the mawa entimi ma system ni mu but COVID-19 no the virus ni sunu ye say so about system ni mu ne ni treat no ni free system mu a o I said the Bible canon so ho ba ko ba okono oba omuka bo mu mpam head your sonso na eba
yeah
we no ko a won fa say we ba so pen enti odibuo bi ma so wo twam o ma ho kwan say obi a wo bi esa no nya hyiamu bi a obetimi asa betra mu bi ena again the doctors no especially environmental scientists no doctors na me hu say o rotate o say ono a ene no betimi amo anu say
okay
o kira no obi ni taba mu ade kira no adani no say ano na ama the vaseline kura nya aye dire no because o mu anu mu say ena anya vaseline o di treating na o dani and to the vaseline ni treating no na say won no so a week a o wa no obi ni mu no osanya awoden
wow
which means also sa copy vaseline betimi e ko de obi na bata ne taba ni mu eno na ama sa coronavirus no ne kono am free say ayedre and again osha the infection rate no and is serious yes people are dying but pandemic be braba nipa ewusin say
of course yeah
just that the infection rate wasn't as this
yeah
but just wrong
ebi ti say HIV no say we wan kone obi an
kodi ahyiemu a
ma say obenya but we no so emfa ho
just say wo hwe brother last week na this week Monday share America say wo hwe nipa dodo o manyia bi ni nyina no through the means of transportation
yeah
either so full plane a free by big bar baby and I was try care move free by big bar baby and I was so try train mu a free by big bar baby do na you know so what about free no command na kwa ba na bia ye no cause my be ho so and so say ekwan a we ni fa so ye no e so simple and the man say hu ni say ono so de oba on pa bibia say wa ha mom no obetra no obesa wa ha wa no
and so the said answer
was no ti ma ekumpan fo no because wa ha wa no na ekutia emoa wa eba nipadua no dudu na em enti ono no be fight wo no ye ga be ka za sojafo o muti umu no ono oba ono no be fight that's the immune system and this oba no timi defeat o ma it is wa fa nipadua no nyina
we are no the kind
o security sa pepepe onti me free say do me de bia me de ye mortality rate na encourage me ho say wo hwe de bia me ka say okra ba kokora wu a eye asempa kosu nim de enko ye but at least no but you see me de anti me can say it's not even up to is it up to 1%?
No.
It's not up to 1%. That's the encouraging part of it. And we share explanation now, Dr. Snedimaya. So 2074, almost over 1,000 and something. But now be and kase or yare. Over 1,600 and something, according to doctors. But now no one didn't. So near Texas, you picky contact trace your coin in who say virus be woman. And for Nama no just say abone to meet defeating the immune system no na no akoya sem na abona to but say immune system is strong that's what me fight it here ubonso wona mo no obi ba wo so obi but say the pakro no so betimi dia ni pa bebre na man ye hu ama infection rate do so no because everyone say my immune system is very strong enti mi wo bi but me nya symptoms bi a chese me yare and my immune system no so me eti bi fight mo ano but now
one dem wo
ho me ho enti me ni baso a me chia baso a ma translate ma no me no kasa na me nte so gu so a e pass through yo baby e betimi affect wa me di amaw enti bo say kamia me wo bi no me cause my immune system is strong and me feel hwe no e betimi di affect the public brain so before say e bi cross so me hunda because my immune system is strong so me di fight no
matisa immune system is stronger fight na etimi ko
yes
unko hospital
etimi ko na etimi ko no na me ka say etimi ko na o dia san go fo bebre won say you nipa bi won ma obi timi yare onya malaria onya fever unko hospital but naturally no timi sa ato no because that person immune system is very strong was there no ntina we ba nyina ankra no who say ankra no affect o mo kase but if I say the hu say the owo bi na immune system is strong no obetimi dey affecting the public brain the tranko ye na konye obi ono immune system ye weak no the wo na ebre no so enti the ma ade na eye hu no eno no
Mamenko rabaso ho ye hwe regional increase na urban o hwe Greater Accra medical kana ase omo no ye greater nintin nitam bia omo no many na ye great on say the na honorable kan true transportation adene ba ye na ba Accra ena yamuka say bia ba Kumasi Accra no Kumasi afefiri wono regions no kwa na eko kwa almost 11 regions then na I was say yeah it may stop spreading no
na kaka me kan say on say na kan no means of transportation ti no man pani tina say ohun say lockdown no e ba be boy ka bia enko to some extent so there be any pa into pa enko echi because yare say na kan immune system no is strong there yare ni bit more wo so but ye hu but to be an immune system no just strong no na take you over I feel that you did not only a quarantine yeah you know only say man penny say no dey buy no na ebe means of transportation say the buy young question no ebe because here Greater Accra the number of increment now abani Asante region now oh transportation Accra to Kumasi no day in and day out no ye kopa Patricia other regions now afei na omoko ko kontina ma man panyi so dey na no di eba ya transportation na ebi ntimi tutu kwan encourage say okay ntimi hwe say no so yes resolve on the back we say see and no so pia mun say no so ebe limit na kakra
like lockdown ana
lockdown say any ehye ya aba any restrictions no ntimi di dwa yesi but so long distance mun say no so be ka ho a ankebeboa because when you the other no let me say be a be two no other regions so say I record be
yeah you record be
you be two na me record be na me boa
yeah
nti let me say na leka no nipa na won ho ba na oni
no dey better track
two me or dey better track and the yakwa ya by drivers be break aka say omu use nose mask e kra na obi o ha won say this one so jani asa na say ne mirror onu we yase passenger bi so ho a ehye ne botom onyu su nti no me won say yare no very hectic but Ghanaians be bia ya fa no normal afia be ginsem no na afia na ye bo aban so bo tikakra me say o man panyi so nya ye moa say the be other regions no enko infecting because from number here be there it's any ha 10,000 per bit me we because per number here any other regions are ever 7 8 no so na Asante region ni Greater Accra yeah, because names say 155 say kakra say ne me no work 1074 so yeah nti no although more than there but ya take risks bi na omanpania putu measures bi so am ya cost of transportation no e ho no so nsensem na afi other regions no bo say akwa spread na afi akwa dan America no modru 1 million yo because ya do 1 million there and then here
say na
if you je ya du mu
ye nyina na yakoi
nti ye best because yare no ne sa no amafo no mo kasa wa brochi ne nya izo obi wa ni street wo mu kra no dey ni pay ewu no it's not easy ye best
is it because of say yemma amafo ehun say ebia nipa wawu oni body ni omo ayasabia sometimes go ha no home enkoso no ke tutututwa bi ewo ya hospitals e de ma amanfo ahwe wo TV so a unya se senka ehu no ebema amanfo asuru kakra
yeah once ade ba kwa hardwin say when it comes to health issues your like confidentiality factors be one se bi untimi fani pane health status kra metugya abra enye court na ahye na so no na amakwan
hwe abrochire kofo bebre ogo footballer no aba o manya bi ne we ya ba manya bi na etwetwetwa ohun se ya cover obi ne de nefunu
well so me ni mama case bi man bi ja chekwa mo ba bi obi fra abrochire bai ni ese wonya bi no obedru ye no a wo pe no ye ko tracy anya no ni ade no edru ba bi no na yire koto ade wa bontene kra ye so obi aso onton obi awu so ba ne ba no adwane
because
aden we na yati se ni kunu enya coronavirus ti ni kunu obi de ebi ono so enya bi ti wadane kakai so just imagine say because one of the press briefing man bi anu anya bi oye recovery omode ne ba obe kan eche mu ba nipa no ho to ni ti wa jo bi ka kra be ka say politics e bi kwa obo ampo na yakofa no but in a way me no ya ju say yeah na ke bi a omo yi wo hospital no e bi sacrifice say mo fa me nchire e wi ase nyina ase manya bi na condition mi wo mu ni when it comes to the death lady I think say no there e bi o man betimi aye because we
ana even your Lebanese ni on free Ghana kan ye
was there was it the crowd bibi so mo de buy na a day nipa 150 etimi gugu abontene enyo mo hospitals ni ade o omo won dem abontra yare na ku no a o de da abontre kwa no na debio omo se 150 ehun show ni na BBC na mani pa ehun ewo mu hwe Italy eduba bi de wi no mo ko hwe nipa egu amnam it me free say
sa ne man ketenkete
ye je bibi de kire because me ma me mo odwomu yi omodo mu no say o free abon samyale akra ma bi brazil ye de ya de san ye timi train na zo kra didwa obeko no bi tiri bi na zo brother me o sa me konkran ko me business bi pa me dwene ho say one me mfa bass kra metumi ameka de akọ fine sebi me need that one kind because some koda hotel me dwene ho say hotel na me koda sebi
so obi abeda
one na that sampa no so
yeah
o koda be na mpa na treatment be na dia man pa na chese se me koda so me ho beto me
yeah
wo sebi ni panum kra me no mo koye transaction en kra na mo kika ko 2000
se ni pa no kra so nya bia be na
ba de ma hu enu di no sebi ebru enya to nya ntua me ntira me kumaze
no waduma no so nsai
ama ya ndana yi se me wo me nyaade se si akra sometimes ye mubi ene meeting se yakoya ni ade wo koyi meeting kra wo se suru because nipa no mo koshi onu obi a carrier but me dey me free say it's about time ye dey hu be she mu me I prefer say the government will come back with something lockout either partial or whatever because one brother me na e 54 no e gina ho che pa o and the cost 60 something from 60 na the jump to 71 as I saying from 71 and no crown no back ko 74 e say gina ho che ya and ye tie figure be 104 so bibi and no crown go for see e boa dey e dey be 4 days 5 days na do 105 e do 105 na fa shoot sa ko 100 ni mu no a free 100 na ko 300 500 was a free 500 na and jump straight to 900 see a ko 600 no and the jump straight to 900 and no crown no obeka na I say something ko 900 no e ko 900 na crofo bi the figure bi abetudwa 1064
yes
ekoye rumor say crofo bi ni propaganda ya boa within 3-4 days na 1042 aba 2 days 1060 something 1066
yeah
1066 ya ko ni mo ne ko 2000 straight enti e no che say ye ra thousands ni mo no multiplication ye more because we 2074 no enye me wan say jampo I be ko 3000 straight
wow
na I de ehu no affection ye kese ya ne ma death rate so cost ro
yeah
enti o me de me free say o say aban no ne o man panyin no medical association no more advice no omo me hu the fact on the grounds if still say community infections any enya na ma numbers ne cost ro so we say ye lockdown mo ye lockdown so contact tracing na so
na me ye I be say ye be sa ko total lockdown am for say din but the fan say 2 weeks ye ko total lockdown before 2 weeks in be ko end no ye bitime hu obia status because say ne ba ho na 2 weeks e betima show there aka ye fa account to kaso na ka ye ko total lockdown
brother Musa asem total lockdown won say tise kafi me boa me kro mfanche bra kro dada mu ono dodo na ko public toilet ademra kro dada dodo na ko public toilet total lockdown what does it mean just won't mean painful feel cram my toilet so
that one there
but just one and you see
maybe a toilet so near that the measures better
o every say partial lockdown obi fret meeting was it kejeti as atonsu gare na etu di okwakoto gare wo se bibi ni benye excuse ya ma obi be ka jo say public toilet kwa me cause me yimutim me prebush but what you say
now
edi
public toilet
ni yimutim and o prebush ko central region ni padodo asebi o sori anopa eyewitness
yeah
epoano anopa bia me train me tukwa bia pa bia me train ti me anopa me so me say epoano me ko ye jogi kak and obi amfale obi oba nie be mani oba nie be mani no obi a ro no obi a ne bi sabi Yes. Just imagine say how you say total lockdown. Does it mean say we be go pay kraba inside the kraba no so yema e ko no di kogu. Serious o. What's that bro cheni ade omo total lockdown ni ade no. Ye omo sa me crop for Canada. Yes wo kra wo nya adwuma no. Just on your phone apply. Who will fear $2,000 near the abroad for your housekeeping?
Yeah.
What do you say? I had my Diana near Chakra, once my cobai. The young one, you know, once my cobai. Obi and P one day or problem. TSC total lockdown for 2 weeks.
Honorable, a damn party bit me a year. A bit a whom, and I say a month for Bissuri at every.
I can't beat my can say, on the Ghana for every before no before. Yeah, and was he prove every day who's a dinner here and Sala, the big giant, yeah, and to me, only say Ghana health service, or more we are victims, at least a hate to cry as of we, or more central, multimedia scanner 2 be any more brown woman,
background,
who as we now are Sunday, yes, sir. To me, only say victims never be no, the victim is who scanner, you know, to be one and so. Now the hospital now there no symptoms need to be shown no you video dey about bontia man because one say yare na ye ka no very serious because we know can say Italy DS or videos you will be you say yasa man for na e fi omu gba no
yeah
but yeah Ghana for the ye chini 40 ehu ya ni me say sa akwan no so no e ba bo ama na bo ehu kakra na measure say we say we put in place no we put because me personally so cry over for instance Nishishe mu a manya kwate say na record ni pa be 3 bio ewo me bokrum but never say e ba tu da
na wo honorable yon person so wo hu ni ba no
ana wo ba ye ba me panyi bi pa na yi ma so say person so no bokrum estate no only say record be 3 bio I don't know you say adena be esi pita o say but o no money pani mu na aketi awareness am obi
na omo picking pa no like anyase anyase bia nipa no ya picking up efie we
that's all ni se me no ka say ya e ka no ka tire me picking e ka yam say local message kwa no never to me say oh but mo be so mo be disclose ya ma ko be no say we say na abo mo but when you are no unya let no mo kwa na obi a be na no so
sanity
because yes partial lockdown but some of one in my body obi wo kwa na obo nti onya re na no soja for yi ba mu pension so ba ko yesi ana soja ni musa so okwa ya o say some say the MPT no ko president ya soja ni no discipline no pa o fa no want ni so won say I was say bi say sipa ko bi wo bi o ba dia na community no e wo say na ko at least ni pa no e be ko ni kusi na mo no so measure say
brother one day baso e ka no what's the nothing and here started pushing stigmatization.
Yeah.
Because you see, say nipa no nye say ye be mano mandatory quarantine. Na nipa ye fa say we yare no no ko hospital. Ene e ko test ni ehun se bi ono. Ana so otu kwa no bai ene test ni ehun se bi ono ho a. Ye hu no hospital no. The only thing be my be a community whereby ebi wa ba community ni mu abedidi nkomo wa be bo bra bi o community mu eno to wa say ye be contact tracing se nye sa na se di otu kwa na oba ni ehu ya ye be quarantine wa so it will be very difficult because say Labanese no wu ye no at the point of time me omo frame me say because of no ati woni nti no omo ba ba ye contact trace okay and omo frame me I was here address say to say robot otu kwan ni e kokko no mo ko pick samples ni ade. Well,
yeah.
But stigmatization also is another factor. Say ye ma community ni nyina hu say nipa smesi bia ye na sebi ti say de na okay
and ti say ya nkana ye saka e ba afoforo na say ti say mpani from bia nyanya bi na mo ba out o manya bi ba no want to me enka by now and come on for that stigma no to
what's another maker say Boris Johnson your cars when you be anya story Prince Charles your cars when you be anya story ya anum nipa ye kan se wonye bia na aye hu aye professor Owuye ono so Owuye no ntino ya story kra wa wu ndino no kra na nipa se dia chi ye de na chese no bi de ku no so ba me free say it's about time omo nya bi no ye mo nkasa ye hu omo sometimes Love FM, Joy FM, make me be a quarantine omo nkomo. But it's just a voice.
A voice.
Yes, you have a doubting Thomas. Actually, you won't feel it that dirty pa dia.
You find right to cry kata omo.
Oh yeah, nyini. You better say robot now. What does it? Now say yeah, maybe no say adwa man say what afie we mu. E na bia ye no. Waje to say bia ye mi on ti me come yare. Afi obi e wo say eh ebia de nya nya fi. That's why she no so ye kasi ye nya no. Ni pon na busu so beda me kakai. So ne be twema obi ane ne nkasa. Na ejire koto ade ye nto ma na ade ya Ukraine coronavirus.
Okay, ma men twam no ho sima kakra bi na memra na fe ye mehwe president measures of them my say no to mass ni adabu no ye biso anasa ye ni so ye twa ho sima ba kudi na ya ba ye beto aso
no makwaba edi ba Kolike Medicals Limited they will come and say airport roundabout kwanya ekobo kromo Utra Police Junction and Hwanemo. Kolike Medicals eye aseye anase hospital e wo kuma se krodua mu e bota ye si eni so se ba de be fa yensa so aboa nkofo dodo a wo haw e wo woni padua mu kan yarewa diseases ye hwe ya repeat say arthritis eno pemu ni enkase mu sasabro isisi ya de obi a nsem abu I was a shady few dislocation of any of the bones or joints. What the back car, if wow, I'm on water. Make us say what hypertension, and now when you're diabetes, and now when you're kidney problem, or nice arthritis. But modern brand now only ever 20 years. Now you will immerse some quite a year, Juma, and yet no point so you will infidel on one. And they check in the Pedriano, your laboratory sector, and they share the Pedriano, and what ya dear air coso and Sunday the true account. Sebi ya kusia will fear your common school, a kusia dear, if you move you take, if you move you China, and ya can one boma. Ye was it, the patu do be of a buy and channel, a radical fire and sasso, Eddie Apoto, Amawon. Eti Unia Ocean, open baby aqua, open a recebia be aqua. To an amount of Kolike Medicals Limited, you will must say airport runabout. Kwana Kobukuna say I'm to acquire sono. With my friend telephone numbers now more affiliation. Nasa and Wabi and now how be a show swa. To Minkabra, never ever fire so up wow, I'm a hoto upper, any of the four, any number for you now. So
Kolike Medical Limited, a physiotherapy units, and I, children. Uba ya suya ya wo yade ahudu bibra yesa aha massage unit ya wo machine a yedi bi obi a the chido penny kasem anase na akoso the joint area eno sada nchen a ya wo UV light machine a yedi tuli pano so a se empo no ebi ana lintin ni blood vessels no baby asisi emu akroto a ewo mo entin no ema emogya no etimi edi efusane se oba ya so ya ye wo yade ahudu bibra yesa enye enro enwa na de ma ye sa wo machines a ye de edi enipedua no duma se de be ya akwani nyina be nya na hode ye ka ya le bi ti se eye male and female infertility a oba Kolike Medical Limited se oba opa wo na wo ho aye de ama ana se be ma ope awo na ne pamwa no ahodin nim a obetimi ama oba eni nse onfa nani enkyere ha eno so da nchen a eye stroke obi a wenya stroke se ne fa na adodo ana se nipadua mu nyina na adodo a onfa nani enkyere ha yare bi se kidney problem eye typhoid junso mu yare eni na mu yare syphilis gonorrhea de eno de na se odi duru ha ye betenete ye ba ema no so efe kwa obi a owo fibroid say yes na wodi no ya rebia bedem onfa na ni enkyere ha emema no obi a owo eye na poso taye ne ya anase
afaso makwa bio de ba Kumawood TV COVID-19 ho semsema yede Ebremo live e wo Kumawood TV mpacho mo amofre line na yede fa text messages no mo nya na mentime enredi enfama mo kama pa we say Kumawood TV, we thank you very much. You watching you live from Italy. My name is Kwaku Robert. Okay, Kwaku Yadasepa. Wasi, please, I want to tell Ghanaians should be very careful of this virus. Now we are hot here in Italy. Okay, Kwaku, and so dear, and no. We say so. I say, hi, Sam. I think Ghanaians think that the virus is no more because the partial lockdown was lifted. Ghanaians should be careful and follow the preventive measures from Asibe of Adum Fool's Life, Kumasi, and also at the Lydia Abbasnico. Also, betimi at the Afa number now at that screen is 0543 596070. Number no kwane ekoso Ghanaians yensuro yare na anase yefin se yare no eko betimi e de o test line e de aba na afi makenkan e de amount we e live e wo Kumawood TV ye wa hojo atinga junction Kumasi eho ene ye wo mamenko honorable so efa government measures or their back say yenye yenworo yansa yenyusu nose masks na yenyusu sanitizers and social distancing yediso anase efin say yare no kra no enye real nti yeniso
me fan ba ko wo hwe preventive measures na one hand washing before say idea say yedi so pa brother mbekase anu achi me drew fie in fact my bepa me be ho me room me bag girl no that I go to the bathroom.
Okay.
No me drew fie I say me go straight to the bathroom.
You hunya manyina na odware.
Yeah, the doctor is here. Mentally, me share the peer about I say me run here the doctor is. Me a cry say me drew fie I say me the doctor dware. Because yes ma kwa bontene. They say omodi nsu abesi me ho animu. Say o ba or so was a cry so am because you need the okosum. One farm me so do ni mu kra afa ko sama me say. Yeah. Pastor me asma ye kana ayedi no they say won't me no you cry now.
Hey, I know the encounter.
Huh?
I know the encounter.
Hey, ye mu bia de bia ye pie ko be oba yon ko bia o. Obi ye adwuma teacher ni o ye adwuma wo say won ko tra de ama kwazo ko school o mo je fie. Woni no koda. Da bi on pene kura.
On pene.
Hey, na ko fa be no. Woni be bia ko ye.
Na say ade no kura no say o de wachi ni ya we de na ayo.
No wachi no yi na say abro for start bi o mo di table bi de ba no be da ko ja table ni bi kura na ade aye. So I'm afraid say one the my friend say hand washing no e ade Ghana for this so pa even ye fie mu kura ye practice pa o hwe other institutions companies bebia e di so two sanitizer e buy na na e ba say obi Monsieur police ni babia ono kura de okope ayi apetese road bi no gurboto mu ehwia no de apepa ne nsa ono so de no mi gidi je say obia na ma on sanitizer ade ba ko Ghana for ya de say nose mask no say ye papa say nye papa no ebo na ba for ma say once the kura benye biato okay at least a preventive and ni perso to be the chair obi ye bi no de a chair me feel say a very good practice say the material dey send you to me use in a day or two me free say ama obi do you say no be only because about 3 or 4 or you 2 and no change no wash it and no akra me no because I was one catch us here say wash it you wash master ya mon ton ko mon pefofo and me free say no so ya dey ye this so now the problem is with the social distancing because ukodwom and no a problem kakra and na dey ba kwa me hu ni say because of social clubs they say keep clubs no enco training ade no nipa take advantage amacha ebinim ko training but work no ebi abehia mrante ebi abe 10 15 no mu nyina asaso to nyom ko adan no etimeti ebinom because
your training so
you good but wonim say won kwa obetimi akọ but nipa be 5 and 10 15 mo ko amunyira mu di nko mo to nyom ko no mo exchange saliva ne ade no enti so bi obi a still betimi affect o ko Heroes Park na stadium patamu a anopa be ko na park ne so ne ade nipa egu o mo ye training ade so yesi abande to me free say no ye baby o say ye di ye ne ko ne hwe say sa ne ma no ye best of say sorry for enko asole a e di ebiem ni social gathering bia bi ti enye ye ko hwe nkrofo mo funu egu mochre se dodo na nipa no ya no akosi no se no cry course dia mesre training for ni say omu bomu ko no enye ade beboa na omu hwe ne no omu nyai na masre se aban so no so free say lockdown no babiem na beboa onfa measures into oni ehwe ko e befa so ebedi so na numbers no the rate as they say jump the thousands no hu kakra to mummy hu the real situation on the grounds ni onko e befa so e be prevent it.
Okay, on our mama also measures no ye diso because obi mate ni not can no pai tafo na obi so befra obefo na ka no e bia nipa obi a hye bi na me no bi timu a omu hye bi sa ne ma no ye ase ye ni so
no na mesra abai ni say you ya soldier for your bugo they are not there some be amoyo but omo be boy aho bai ti mesra say mo nsambra back sa ne omo we nyina ye dia call mandate so omo see to say sa ne omo nyina they in their right order so because say no me koka sorry to so nipa no joke me oni mi dibre and so be use that opportunity no not dey did watem but military man no police personnel no wa ansa na car ni betuo no on check it say hand sanitizer ni bi work because o ma panyi say o say a commercial cars before say passenger never for no so wo hand sanitizer ni bi work ni ma obedi kan dia ma nipa na fa ni san wa za no yede wa fuka ba na ye ndi so no smart say dey make driver no also we shebi mate shebi but we fuka no no kwa we shebi ukoka ebe issue iti ebe share military no anya so mo ba so mo mabu you but they should see to it says any mo we nyina they are in order
ba hunim say emremu no I was say a parliament may de be hye emremu say ye ma obia by force say we hye we enimremu sa asat now enimremu sa enti wontimi enforce obi se chinchina hye no smart enti na bia soldier for no emma abontene
I know say enimremu ya ewu nti enimremu nti enyina ye ntro no ya sense na no enimremu but and they got Ministry of Trade say a farm man for a more pam no smart he will be I was say the yes and I perform to the stairs one guy let's see be tomato today dinner nipa ass what they say ento o see yeto and after so kakra make afa yem panyi for individuals say omo ye adoye omo ye ade o ye adoye ko hospitals ni ade but me hu say area no e wo formers and the nipa na ko hospital the donation ni bi wa emra from to the community they make say no smart ni hand sanitizers emra from ni em fa bi mo bia no bia mo no ban say the be ya area no nya dey cause because donations ni nyina to go hospital wa they say yen twema e bi nka obi ansa de na ba o say yes so we issue na
okay ono be yen hwe omo omo ye front liners no on say obi o ha o ye nurse on ka omo ye front liners hospitals bi wɔ hɔ a ɛnka ho ɛno no wonhu sɛ ɛyɛ kakra because sisi a me no te ha yi sɛ yare bi attack sisi a onyɛ sure sɛ yɛbɛtwɛn sɛ de kɔgye ɔwɔ sɛ de kɔ nearby hospital bi na yɛdi kan ma first aid na afei yɛhu sɛ ɔmu ayɛ den nti wɔyɛ transfer no ɛmfa no nkɔ hospital kɛseɛ nketewa na yɛbu yɛni sɛ ɔmo deɛ ɔmo nka ho no ɛhɔ ne hɔ na yare no efiri ansa na kɔ agasi
me free say a car front line workers na ɔmo na deɛ me free say media for some account
yeah
assembly members count
no me ka
me to point na sepa well me can the point say you classify frontline workers no in the health sector no ekoye say you say those associated to COVID-19 say be a centers no omo no kwa eko no enko
case no si ba bi nso
ansa ye dra ko ho because we say uhura banga ye de you know is it a thermometer or whatever it is no check it with or temperature. It let's assume say so go beyond 38 temperature was low. It means it was you got test so but just wrong
we also na or hypertension that
yeah unim papa bi no hypertension na ono anache no obowa any yes in front of hospital go for the ko nyina obowa nto musuro amudini ko to hospital no papa na efiri so ya check the temperature no na ni patre amudini ko nyina omudi e wo so say papa na oyale no
adentia
so ba ye ko omo go graduate say papa wa won boy die e bi ye kura ye bi o ba ye de papa na ko no all the same the pneumonia bi as bibi na won so that engine no but go mo amudini ko say pressure kura da baba ye kodu no mo temperature no was so say o na dey maza mo cry so ye jemo mo to answer
okay
kan ye hwe mo kakra ti me free said the o come no ya adwen see e be mo ye ni akọ ye community centers health centers
no.
cheap compounds and no thing na mark ye me decide say even private hospitals wo Kumasi nyina no either Veronica Bucket nose mask be bia ye dey call public health centers be call private ones and also because you need baby or be here the first point of call and the more this PPEs ni bia at least the more so aboa situation to me free say me no ya dwen say o see me ni call that private health centers in as no ma mo ye gba no so no ye mo ni ko me na me revenue for kasa so revenue for mo ko abontra ko gigiska o mo ko jo mo ye yi see am pen nose mask mo be say ya ampe gloves mo ya see adi optimicals kasokra ni pensus kan wo koje she's kadudo okoje obeji coins obeji paper see am protect your man e be duro bi na mo kra so no omo so ko fire timbi catch administration so say make sure say you benya nose face mask and the gloves maybe ama yen revenue collectors ni nyina as means of preventive measures na be to be free say o see dey ni hwe ba bia aboa no betimi afa ba bia infection flashpoint area bia no ye ma ye ni ko no
okay my memory honorable so ya hwe omo ton ya na food vendors say this week ya nyantie bi say enkrankra no some 10 food vendors be attested positive Achimota Hospital krano ya quarantine omo ho nyina se ye omo test omo tonton nuane because omo ne enipa ene ekwan best na be fa so a omo so bitimi a practice we ni
omo food vendors no also omo use hand gloves because me and Kasa no I had a personal encounter with them obi o ha ko jira ba bi na o study na ordination na tie biane no so kura spoon kura na otima ni wia the same hand no di diska hand gloves bia nso to say sikana abuana based in was so said you don't know or the G scan we are the same hand on you so has sanitizer no aside they are so spoon at the ati aduane movie in a matter of say more ton rice balls names and quite be an easy
oji ana wodi
so nti ya besere nti na mo panyi hihye mo ya say o tell aduane pani ko asa o tena o ye dey nti o say in the form of package bi ya package ama na wo na o ton aduane mo hand gloves ni ye dey e show uju sika o package aduane mo nipa no na o dey go free nti ni nyina no it seems say education na o say man ye more because you are keeping on educating them but still Ghanaians in the education also a right to more.
Okay, Kumawood TV ana wani guswa o hwe we aye COVID-19 coronavirus eho enkomo ana ye twetwe na nche yibebi ye homa natum ama wonso wo de wadwen kire e de aba live o Kumawood TV medical aka kire wo se free ochina ekono show we ya the politics kakra eba be shim because political era na ye wo mu no nti ese munya ne ekoso ewo political parties no emu ene de ekoso wo oman no mu eno nti no free ochina koechina ne be lunch ye be lunch no ha kama pa e be live o TV so ama wonso wahwe eno achi no a free man day ekono ye de be bro live gidi pa enenti mama ye nhye no nso ma mentwa mo sima ba akomra me ba ebebie phone line no ade atom
no makwaba ede ba Colike Medicals Limited they will come say airport roundabout kwanya ekobo kromo ultra police junction e hwana Colike Medicals eye aseye anase hospital e will come say produit emu na ebota esi eni so nse na de fa yen saso aboa nkofo dodo a ewo haw ewo woni padue mu nka yarewa diseases ye hwe ya repeat say arthritis eno pemu ni enkase mu sasabro isisi ya de obi adensem abu e wo say hye ni piu de wonya dislocation of any of the bones or joints what the bakolika ebeboa ama omoato make us say hypertension and when you diabetes and when you kidney problem or nice arthritis but modern brand na only ever 20 ya na ye wo emroson kwa e ye adwuma enye no kwa so ye wo mfidie ahodo obono a ye dey check the padua no ye wo laboratory sector ye dey hwehwe ni padua emogya mu ya dia ekoso ansana ye dey adru account sebi ya kosua wo fie ya kobu school akosua de ebi mo fi tech ebi mo fi chana ene ya kan ye hwaboma ye boase ni padodo bi obeba ye nchen no erade be fa ye nsaso e de apoto ama won enti onua wo hweme o pebe bi akọ o pa resebia bi akọ tutuna mo bra Colike Medicals Limited ye wo Kumasi airport roundabout kwana e kobu na se amtoa kwan ne so no obetima free telephone numbers na wo afidie so na se emwa bi ana o ha bi e chew so a tutu minkabra na erade be fire so aboa ama hoto aba ene abusuafo ene nafofo nyina eso
Colike Medical Limited a physiotherapy units ena ye chere uba ya swea ye wo yade hu bibra yesa aha massage units ye wo machine a ye di mi a obi a the chibu pen kasem ana say na aposo the joint area eno sada nchin a ye wo UV light machine a ye di tuli pano so a say empo no e bia na bintin blood vessels no baby asisi e mu akroto a ewo mo entin no e ma emogya no etimi edi efusane se oba ya so ya ye wo yade hu do bibra yesa enye enro enwa ne de ma ye sa wo machines a ye de edi edipedua ne guduma se de be ya akwani nyina be nya na ho de ye ka ya le bi ti se eye male and female infertility
ya sa makwaba bi o de aba COVID-19 coronavirus aba Ghana ama se ye slow economy akwa kodru 2000 empemienu ani akire se unima meka kire Ghana cases a yensa aka ebro empemienu 2000 2074 ɛna aba ebisa sɛ nanado ensan fa partial lockdown ni bi mmra na anase yenya engum saa we ya sama me bisa nti ofrɛ me a na mabisa nanado yaduru 2000 tese kwa ne yeko time a yenenam bɛɛsɛ 150 no kra no ɛna yɛkɔ first lockdown partial lockdown ɛno na mfin sɛ twi mu kakra ba yɛgya yɛbɛgu mu no say kwa na ɛkɔ 2000 yɛanhwɛ yi a yɛ 10000 no ɛbɛba so ɛno nti yɛbisa sɛ nana ɛnsan ɛmfa partial lockdown no bi mmra nanka yɛnsan kɔhyɛ dɛm kakra anaasɛ yɛngyaeɛ na ɛkɔ soro yi ɛnkɔ so ankɔ soro pakyɛ wobɛtumi afrɛ me sɛsi a ɛwɔ ahoma no so 0200603602 0200603602 honorable nana ɔnsan fa lockdown partial one ɛmra the whole Ghana anaasɛ
nana the number na ɛkɔ na ɛsɛ spread across all regions in India. We want to say yes, I call partial lockdown. But also this is Ghana for you say biaze miani o de ba yi kwa no. Challenge my yi pa. But not because you say me no bia na be ni. Ebi nya binti no saa kwa no so me ko de ana o ye hye ya e fa ba bi no. Ebebo yi nyina ɛsan ko fa.
Nti yes, I call partial na wo de ka ope.
O ka be boy.
Ono ba mu chefu we.
Well, maybe reason is one, or seeing a report from the Ghana Medical Association.
Report we actually report baby.
Report American is 2074 no.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, good evening.
Yeah, good evening. Bacho, we didn't baby offer me free.
The Pacho, your friend, Anansi, the Cafe Blue. The Pacho, the program now more than a manager.
Okay.
Now, maybe no. Question now, more because say, baby, a number not doing there. Baby, a number not doing there. Come up fair. Yes, I'm called partial lockdown because they say I'm not who could have boy Ghana for no.
Okay.
It's in the middle of Sana Margin, but I'm at the panel program now more than Mechia Honorable Joseph Basua, Bokum Electoral member, Assembly member, Mechiano.
Oh, that's it, or Joseph Yamfa of Refor Audio. Hello? Hello? Okay, I was so waiting. Hello.
Hello.
The Pacho, friend of Oma, TV.
The Pacho, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Hello.
The Pacho, TV no volume. Hello. Mr. Rawa, my TV volume. Yes, I want to maintain. Hello.
That's a fine.
We didn't have a free.
If that's a free, Signane. Pacho, the other person is a mechanic. Barriers now. One Nippon year Nippon from the bank. And also come home. Yes, let's say, a buying shares uncle for now. Or more would be Nippon year a back muno. Yet, show my young trauma, so yes, I might take a lockdown of course.
Okay. Also for us and partial lockdown. Oh.
Aye. Not business now, you can hear me a ban. Woman, a man, possible.
Okay. Yeah, that's a part. Yamfa from so Ahomana. So, hello. Hello. Okay. 0200603602. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Fine.
Good evening, baby. I'll frame it free.
I just got to see a campaign.
Odi.
The from Kojo.
Kojo, what didn't you say?
Lockdown the company passed by the because what you buy about Yaman to see some
If na so be atu na my yare no for the farm of the abo.
Or the bow on Casa Commodore.
Drive. Come now we do for one. I will convey.
Okay. But that's a part
from who would you are
okay. But that's a part. One super to me after 020603602020.
Hello.
Good evening. We got your friend ma TV volume no enko form.
Hello.
Nkasa.
Hello.
Udin any baby offer me free.
Hello.
But Udin baby offer me free. Okay. Manakwe.
Mamta ko there. Abu Bado, why are you the no down about no? The room no man more. But if you are one man, one thing no, the whole thing is increasing. But the wish there, one year total lockdown. You are sure about the because we are afraid to even go out.
Okay. Yeah, that's a bar and it was gently. Yamfa of France or Ahomanis. Hello. Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Who didn't be offer me free?
Let's go to Casapita. I let down the back of your area because Kesha. When you we said everybody, I would say you were not. When I said, do not done the body and have a the other is a yeah, but they are a woman and cool no share mass. That's a who share no mass maybe. Because Unam come up for a big share. The big share had no cover. Well, we need our car. It is just saying responsibility. You are by saying and the but we need to affect the high. Well, lockdown is the high. Okay, let
yeah, that's a part and it was gently. One of the ones who say lockdown a bit higher. Hello.
Yeah. Good evening.
Good evening. We didn't be offer me free.
Okay, I want to say.
I don't know now swear.
Okay, but I
didn't I say and offer free.
Because the free being out the video.
Okay, man, go
me a club person can say. I mean, come out and also die 1,001 and I say, well, okay.
Figure then, okay,
1,042 now, to die. So go die, so by 1 week. 2 weeks, go to share
okay.
See, I can come out and I want to 1 week to be emphasis. So they are there.
Ozamian caught 1 week. Okay, Medasipa, and I didn't say, yes, hello?
Yes, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Who didn't be offer me free?
Takra, what from Sammy?
Takra the Kwame. Okay. Sammy Manakwe.
Yo. What? You feel there?
Sammy Maoneso Kakrama, why?
Yo, me feel there, but let me feel there. Makufa Dory, oh, yeah, papa. What? Clock it down. Walk and go paid. It's not papa no one. No, you no more. You think Musus? Makufa,
Hello.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Who didn't be offer me free?
Make us a free in your soul.
Who didn't? Teresa. Okay, Manakwe.
Can it be found a Nana call down?
Nana Samian call lockdown if you are.
She said, they are coming. Now, a month for and some comedy near you.
Okay, Teresa, that's a part and then 1 ɔno nso akyerɛ no adwene yɛbɛfa afrɛfoɔ no kakra bi na afei yɛato adwumadi no so hello okay wobɛtumi afrɛ na wo nso de wadwen kyerɛ aba honorable na wokasa ɛna wohwɛ aba ɛsɛ majority na wafrɛ na se yɛnkɔ lockdown no bi
hello meka say
okay
Hello.
hello good evening
Good evening.
but you didn't be offering me free
But you're from Isaac. Thank you. Because
okay manon kwe
But you, that is just like I do. You know, I call up down 2 weeks back on the head.
what's the what
But you're not doing it.
what do you know okay all right yeah that's a panel or gentle yeah share of from so hello okay I want to meet and now 0200-603-602
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. You say wrong time again.
Hello. Hello. Yeah, phone segment this year.
Yeah, see, the American say, almost over 82% a community spreading.
Yeah.
The person will say 2074, you know. A mudu was saying, and I through the contact trace. And yai. And a mudu was saying,
contact trace, no, say, you said, yeah,
the time because I say, let's assume, say, said, good number way in Yano. Nina, every the contact trace no anymore. It means, say, you are fishing out or more, and I make us almost do na or move no. But what you say? But let's assume, say, be a bear 1,500 and 1,007, even 1,008, and a year contact trace no. And the move 200 and something. It's still community spread apart from contact trace no year no. You send your cases a community spread na our cases no. And no money you pa. And no
first part no a contact trace and a third one no. The second one a contact third the whole third party no.
Third party no. So and there no third party no. Most of the times they call for lockdowns.
Okay.
But what you say?
Okay.
So see who say community spreading no. And also apart from contact trace the year no. Nipa do say ya say nyebia no more records then can the contact trace now. It means say we are still at danger. What does it mean? It means say we have to go for lockdown, fish out those people and do another contact tracing. But wrong. Contact trace no. Enye market to anya say oh ye pie krom na no ye do so krom ye tietie na so ye bembe enti ye beje binti ye nkoda dabi. But nipa do saying ana ekrom no apart from contact trace no e bi say anya bi. So it means say bi say anya bi dia it means say still the spreading the infection is still within us. So we have to go for another lockdown, do another contact trace, find those people.
It's not means that for my contact lockdown no actually say majority na contact tracing.
Brother was there na man for kase ye wo 154 kra no. Yeah. Ye loko ye adenti na ye do 1042 and the president EBA.
Yeah.
You see that time no mo free say nipa o mo so mo trace o mo nyina ye trace o mo. And now every result be a yenye biano is coming from the contact tracing no and the mandatory quarantine na ye no.
Yeah.
And until ma as I a doctor for mo yedwa na mo hu.
Yeah.
But in woni be ma bra the mandatory quarantine no a results ba contact tracing a huge number. Apart from contact tracing, the third person no we have another community infection. A honor chese adwuma no mo ye nyina na asaya de bi. You have to go back and do another contact trace. Which I know there, I tell you, in Canada, 10,000 years can Quebec. So, my point is, the Medical Association of Maye who say, so far 2074, are there any number apart from contact trace, no, a free community spread by? If yes, what is the number? Even if it's 2 at any region, and even if it's 1 at any region, it means we still need a lockdown again, and this time maybe partial nationwide.
Yeah.
Because we need to go and fish out those people and the contact that they have made. Yes, I hear another contact trace. I don't mean say it's a huge number because the partners are spread it.
Okay.
Intimate the main point. So me try and say call lockdown and I mean call lockdown depending on the information. Ghana Medical Association at the Mayeno and the best show.
Okay. Honorable, about the callers and so more now can say lockdown. Then I can find nothing.
Lady no friend no kind managing we your bodies no.
Yeah.
Or say you take proper measures on that your bodies. Because me lockdown you know incident BC on person also. Let me say or never pay investigation. Right, you to feel libu. I know over share. Say my friend, among we in charge na most of us on say I was in any kind of evidence and I say information say if you baby say never until more mama. And also even in our bodies no.
And only as was another can be na book room say Monya
say ofra I don't want to say the other for na if I be no boy did ya no. Obi betimi ase that friend line no. Say bibi ebiesi wa ombeko no nentisa nti won issue based listener from ma of fan sanity join me oh man ti e best your borders no so ye hwe ni ye strengthen because Ghana no bibia na yeska o jina hokra so nipa no connection no jana mana ba nti ye hwe ni nyina aka wo so de na na eka no contact tracing no mo ye no so no mo community ni mu ye enye se wa figure efie bi no awura no akotwetwe omo blood sample no. So nationwide and as a community based that at least I want to move no because you need people said we had will be to fish a specific place now qua it was only if the other end in the head but your borders no or more on immigration.
Okay, now we see all the Ofana will be able will be able channel so
say the lockdown or say they make no and you ain't so here but near moon ye renti o man panisi se obesade aba no ye he no na afi so me chia MC road na ma chia samoko kuba so a ani bokru man nyina ne sepeman me electoral area na ye sepe bokru me electoral area
okay
aso ye pa nti me chia o se me chia obi na me chia zongo community no be say month of Ramadan ni wo community no me bompa e mo to mo so bompa e mo emaye na erade nka mo na fasting no.
Yeah, I think say 30 people.
Yeah.
But now first me.
Yeah.
And your workers day.
Yeah.
We need to celebrate our workers. But unfortunately,
so Sunday, Monday,
brother, I'm just say yes, we you cry. Now you be workers day. If I just want to be free, say you be first we so now yamma. At my phone, happy workers, they especially the frontline workers, those doctors, those nurses, the cleaners. Where nipa bu aya na ebu eni egomusu. Cleaners no more cleaning baby ya. You did this quarantine people no ego. Those who are receiving treatment ego no. Omo cry ya tracing will be ya. nti obi a we involved with this COVID-19 exercise no bia no ye wo hye no advance happy May Day.
Yeah.
Na ya stress nyankopon mo ye nyina ye ho ba ni titru the frontline workers.
Okay.
Oh, ade ba ko den say oba Ghana na your frontline workers, especially the doctors and the nurses, your experience their course in Italy in the US. Impo China.
Nurses last I am almost 13.
But they were in good conditions.
Yeah.
Once they coach China, doctors they be we. Even the doctor or discover the first case was one we. They were conscious our doctor also we. Equal Italia, there's a doctor's bed 36 the way. But you had them jelly say and taste somebody. I don't need a senior couple say or more by now. The month of Ramadan, no, ye empire they say, and came to copy him say, ye knew no Muslim for, and for children and Maraviano. Now come what the COVID-19 so, Connie Crew. Na ye water. Ye momunina, but you can't say, there be happy Ramadan.
Happy Ramadan.
Happy Ramadan.
Okay.
Yeah. Saturday, so we said, Tafo Gamma Hospital, I still I love that is my MZ said, one person said,
Tafo Hospital. Okay, I know your
revenue department.
Hey, listen here. Monas cash, Nashamo. Okay, yeah, the Jubadiano Ebesiha. Honorable Joseph Basua, assembly member, Bookroom, and Obaboy, a man, Jumadian Ecoso Kama, and Honorable James Nana Prempe, and so a revenue mobilization chairman, KMA, and also a boy.
Sorry, assembly member, assembly man,
assembly member,
a dear man, Franchebra, or no quarters with TUC.
Assembly member.
Aha. Because as some man in the Miko came in Mamiko, you win. I know the autocrat by Amepa.
Assembly member. Now, Okohonso on the revenue mobilization. That is a scanner. The fan of super. The better must say, Moba Ebe Boy. Yanko Yadma, Lika Cassa, Ochna, free Ochna Con. Yaddi, I tuned in CNP. At the Abramo life, Jumadi, so a better life, here. And to more than I said, Druva, Mubasha, Eddie, my more share in answer, Yadamasipa, and of Pepa, more different, contribute to a map program, not a yet successful. And then Nanka was say a sign, a brow, a ray, Baby Binti, and Timan Farm Row. And you know, we are 7 pepe, yet a sign, a brow life, our Kumawood TV. Obi anya case ama ye na kotum 7 years na ye na kotum 7 years no case no enya case bia nanka ese onu na kokodam but a sign na ama wakwakoda prison ye betie no ho asem se na ya a sign be sign no ama okoda prison emfie nso 7 o'clock pepe ya twaye ye twaye ho na ya sign aba Loretta ewo engine room ho on the chinchim machines no e de emaye and Augustina ono nso ewo hobi e ma mienu amoho ofe omo engine room kuma wo TV pe ye engine room no ye ma na omo handle Kobe Frank enso na handle ye cameras no e de maye AJ Hipsy ono nso na a producer e de maye na Ben so na ye PRO so we be basu on the frefre no more arrange a kind of first one on baba show so afei so ochunozo one on the production manager midin Eddie Samuel Kwabena Dako Dafofro the best answer Asia.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Sini papa be na upe bi ashe Amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yebi